Where are you going? Where's your stick? Where's your stick? Is it in the hole? No, not in the hole. There it is. You gonna bring it back over here? Where you hiding? Where's Fergus? Does he have a stick? Does Mommy see Fergus?
Where could Fergus be?
Good.
Peekaboo!
Get him, Mom.
Got you. Stick.
Thanks.
You're a funny bunny.
Where's that hole you dug with the dirty face? Where's your hole you dug? Oh, we should fill that in, huh? Let's fill that in. Oh, that's a pretty deep hole. Find anything in there?
What's in there?
Oh. I can't? No? Oh, okay. How come I can't fill it? Oh, Fergus. That's your hooks up on it, yep. Oh, okay, you climb in your hole then. No? You're all done? Okay, let's fill it up so no one gets hurt. No? Yeah, okay. Here, I'm gonna fill it up. Oh, such a big hole you made.
Thank you, Daddy.
You gotta fix your divots, Fergus.